Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper of the given measurements, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Open it, now fold it from the other side and press it. Now fold a triangle towards the middle crease, the second edge, the third one, and subsequently the fourth one. Press well. Open the folds. Now fold the lower edge towards the top and press it. Folding the sides and pressing them well. Now from the second side, repeat the step and press well. Now from the third side, repeat the steps and press it well. Fold the side, leaving the upper corner, press it, open it, and now from the fourth one, press it, fold and again press. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. Now we have a box type shape in the middle of the paper. Again fold it to make it permanent. Now fold inwards from all four sides. You may share this video with your friends, family members, and relatives. Now fold according to the creases into a flower type shape. Now closing it. And it's closed. Done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.